In this video, detailed account of the olfactory nerve, which is the first cranial nerve, is presented, covering its origin, pathway, and clinical implications. The olfactory nerve is a purely sensory cranial nerve responsible for the sense of smell, that is, olfaction. Unlike most other cranial nerves, it does not pass through the thalamus before reaching the cortex, making it unique in its direct cortical projection. The olfactory nerve originates in the nasal cavity and consists of specialized sensory neurons located in the olfactory epithelium. These neurons detect airborne molecules and convert them into electrical signals that travel to the brain for odor perception. The olfactory epithelium is found in the superior part of the nasal cavity, specifically along the superior nasal concha and the nasal septum. It contains olfactory receptor neurons, supporting cells, and basal stem cells. The receptor neurons are bipolar neurons with dendrites that extend into the mucosal surface and contain cilia with odorant receptors and axons that form the olfactory nerve fibers called phyla olfactoria. Pathway of the olfactory nerve starts from the olfactory receptors located in the nasal cavity. Odorant molecules dissolved in the mucus of the olfactory epithelium and bind to receptors on the olfactory cilia. This triggers a signal transduction cascade in the receptor neurons, generating action potentials. The axons of these receptor neurons bundle together to form olfactory nerve fibers called phyla olfactoria. These fibers pass through the cribriform plate of the ethmoid bone, which has small perforations that allow the axons to reach the cranial cavity. The olfactory nerve fibers synapse with mitral and tufted cells in the olfactory bulb located on the ventral surface of the frontal lobe. The synapse occurs in specialized structures called olfactory glomeruli. From the olfactory bulb, signals travel via the olfactory tract, which contains the axons of mitral and tufted cells. The olfactory tract bifurcates into lateral olfactory stria that carries signal to the primary olfactory cortex, and medial olfactory stria, which projects to the contralateral olfactory bulb via the anterior commissure, allowing cross communication. The olfactory information is processed in several cortical areas, including primary olfactory cortex or piriform cortex for conscious perception of smell, amygdala for emotional responses to odors, entorhinal cortex, which is part of the limbic system, for memory association with smells, orbitofrontal cortex for higher order olfactory discrimination, whereas hypothalamus controls autonomic and behavioral responses to smells. This image shows the olfactory sensory neurons expressing odorant receptors. The axons of these receptor cells expressing the same odorant receptors converge onto the same glomerulus at the olfactory bulb, allowing for the organization of olfactory information. Because the olfactory nerve is directly exposed to the external environment, it is vulnerable to damage from trauma, infections, toxins, and neurodegenerative diseases. Anosmia, which is loss of smell, caused by head injury, viral infections, for example COVID-19, influenza, tumors like olfactory groove meningioma. There may be complete or partial loss of smell, anosmia or hyposmia. Associated symptoms include loss of taste, as flavor perception depends on smell. Olfactory hallucinations or phantosmia, caused by temporal lobe epilepsy, migraines, and psychiatric disorders, leading to perception of phantom smells, often unpleasant, like burning, rotten, or metallic odors. This symptom indicates epileptic foci in the temporal lobe. Olfactory neuroblastoma or esthesioneuroblastoma. It is a rare aggressive tumor arising from the olfactory neuroepithelium, causes progressive anosmia, nasal obstruction, and epistaxis, which is bleeding through the nose. Diagnosis is made by MRI and biopsy. Neurodegenerative diseases cause early olfactory dysfunction. These include Alzheimer's disease, marked by early anosmia due to degeneration of olfactory structures. In Parkinson's disease, early sign is hyposmia, often before motor symptoms appear. In Huntington's disease, there is altered olfactory perception. fractures of the cribriform plate caused by car accidents, falls, etc. Olfactory nerve damage occurs resulting in anosmia, and CSF rhinorrhea, which is leakage of cerebrospinal fluid from the nose, increasing risk of meningitis. Kallmann syndrome or congenital anosmia. This is a genetic disorder affecting the development of the olfactory bulb and gonadotrophin releasing hormone producing neurons, characterized by anosmia and delayed puberty due to gonadotrophin releasing hormone deficiency. So, to summarize, the olfactory nerve is a unique sensory nerve responsible for olfaction. It has a direct pathway to the brain, bypassing the thalamus, unlike other cranial nerves, and connects the limbic system, linking smell with emotion and memory. Lesions affecting the olfactory nerve can cause anosmia, olfactory hallucinations, or indicate underlying neurological disorders. Understanding its anatomy and clinical relevance is crucial for diagnosing olfactory dysfunction. In the next part, we'll continue with the optic nerve. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Do like and share the video and subscribe the channel to learn more.